Dear children, let us recall our previous class. Do you remember what is ingredient? Tell the answer. Let us begin our new topic. Sources of food or sources of ingredient. We can start with vegetable curry. Please tell the ingredients of vegetable curry. Okay, vegetables, spices, oil, salt. Do you know from where we are getting these vegetables, spices, oil, and salt? Next, think about chicken curry. Ingredients are chicken, spices, salt, oil. Here also you have to think about from where we are getting these ingredients. Our first activity was you have to write the ingredients of vegetable curry and think about its sources. Okay, so as ingredients we already wrote for to prepare the vegetable curry we need vegetables, spices, oil and water. Also we need salt. Okay, so let us think about the vegetable. From where we will get these vegetables? The options are animals or plants. From where we will get these vegetables? Actually from plants. Okay, so the sources of vegetables are plants. Okay, the next ingredient is, we can think about oil. Okay, oil already we are using in our home, we are using coconut oil and sunflower oil or other oil. So all these oils we are getting from the plants. So there also you can write the source of oil is plant. Okay, the next one, spices. We are using turmeric powder, okay, coriander powder. All these spices also we are getting from the plant. Okay, the next one, salt. Already we are discussing about the sources, plant or animal. Salt we know that we are getting from the sea, so you can write the other sources. And water also we can write other sources. Okay, so now we discuss about the vegetable curry. To prepare vegetable curry we need vegetables, spices, oil, water and salt. From these vegetables, spices and oil we are getting from the plants, and other, that means water and salt we are getting from the other sources. Okay, so first source is plant. The next activity was to write the ingredients of chicken curry, and we have to think about its sources. To make chicken curry, of course we need chicken. Okay, so from where we are getting this meat, chicken meat we are getting from the chicken, that means hen. Okay, so that is a animal. Okay, so ingredients of chicken curry, chicken or meat. Okay, so the source is animal. The next ingredient of chicken curry is spices. We already discussed spices we are getting from the plant, and also we are discussing we need oil. Oil also we are getting from the plant. Then here also we need other ingredient like salt, water. The salt, water and also we are getting from the other sources. So important thing is we are using the ingredients. Commonly these ingredients we are getting from the two sources, important two sources. The first one is plant and another one is animal. Think about to make egg curry. Egg curry we need egg. Of course we need egg. From where we are getting this egg? From the animal. Okay. So the sources of ingredient or sources of the food are plant and animal. That is today's topic. Sources of food or sources of ingredient. I think it's clear for you. There are two sources, plant and animal. Then you have to start writing our science notebook. The first page you have to write, I already discussed in our previous class, 2 tables you have to write. Okay, to ask your friend about their breakfast, dinner and lunch, you have to write the meal. And I already told you have to write the ingredients of some food items. Okay, then the third one you have to write the question answer, what is ingredient. Third question you have to write in the notebook, what is ingredient. The answer is there in the previous class video. Okay, what is ingredient. The next question, the fourth question you have to write, what are the sources of food. What are the sources of food, or you can write what are the sources of ingredient. Okay, what are the sources of ingredient? Plant and animal. And the fifth one you have to draw a table and you have to write the different food items. Okay, first column you have to write the different food items. Maximum you can write 5 food items. And the second column you have to write the ingredients of these food items. Okay, for example, first you have to write the vegetable curry as one food, and the second column you have to write the ingredients of vegetable curry. That means vegetables, spices, oil, salt, etc. And the third column you have to write the sources of food or sources of the ingredient. For example, vegetable curry, ingredient vegetables, oil, etc. And the next column vegetable, from where we are getting this vegetable? From the plant. And oil we are getting from the plant. The same way you have to write the 5 food items, their ingredients and their sources. That is the activity for you. So students, I think all of you understood this topic.